This video was created and brought to you by ManageMax. We manage condominiums, HOAs, manufactured housing and apartment communities throughout Southeast Michigan. We're a growing company, and maybe we'll get to your area soon if we're not there yet. We create these videos to share industry insights with current and prospective clients. There will be an opportunity to connect with us at the end, so stick around to the end of the video. Now let's dive in. Your HOA has had those boat docks on the lake for years. Everyone pays their fees, nobody complains. But here's what keeps property managers and community leaders up at night. You might be operating an unlicensed marina right now and not even know it. Here's something most HOA board members have never considered. That annual dock fee you've been collecting, the one that seems like responsible financial management, it could be the very thing that triggers state permit requirements. This video is going to talk specifically about the state of Michigan and to communities who are located in this state. Michigan's Natural Resources and Environmental Protection Act doesn't care that your docks are private. It doesn't care that you're a small association. What it cares about is whether you're providing a service. And when money changes hands for dock access, even among your own members, you may just have crossed a legal threshold that transforms your simple boat dock into a regulated marina. Most boards discover this the hard way, usually when a neighbor files a complaint or litigation starts. Now let's talk about something even more complex, riparian rights. These are the water access rights of lakefront property owners, and they're protected under Michigan law. Here's where it gets tricky. Your association's landing might be clearly defined in your plat, but the moment your boats extend beyond that designated area, even a few feet into a neighbor's water rights zone, you've created a legal conflict that can spiral into expensive litigation. Courts have specific formulas for determining these boundaries. They look at historical usage patterns, they examine plat language that was written decades ago, and they make determinations that can either preserve your members' lake access or eliminate it entirely. This isn't something you can eyeball from the shore. We hear this from boards, hey, we've had these docks for 20 years with no problems, but precedent isn't protection. Recent court decisions in Michigan have forced associations to completely restructure their dock operations, limiting boat numbers, changing fee arrangements, even removing docks entirely. And here's the critical part. Courts are now actively looking at how associations manage their docks, not just the physical structures themselves. Your governing documents, your fee collection practices, your boat allocation systems, they all factor into whether you're compliant or exposed. Look, managing lakefront access involves a web of overlapping regulations, state, environmental law, riparian rights, local ordinances, and your own governing documents. These laws interact in ways that aren't obvious until you're already facing legal challenge. The associations that avoid these problems aren't the ones who figured it out themselves. They're the ones who got ahead of it with professional guidance before a complaint turned into a courtroom. If your association has lake access, docks, or any shared waterfront amenities, this is exactly the kind of operational risk that deserves a professional review. If you found this perspective valuable, we invite you to connect with us. Facebook viewers, like our page and follow us for regular updates. Feel free to message us directly with your questions or community challenges. Instagram viewers, hit follow and feel free to DM us with your questions or community challenges. YouTube viewers, subscribe to our channel and check out the video description for helpful links. Visit our website to discover our thought leadership content, books, and resources that can transform your community management approach. Whether you're dealing with the challenges we discussed today or other community issues, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.